The ninth-generation Volkswagen Passat represents a major departure from its predecessor for multiple reasons. It only comes as a wagon and is no longer assembled in Germany as production is being moved to Slovakia. In addition, the midsize model has actually been developed by Skoda and is the first VW Group car to sit on the MQB Evo platform. It looks quite different, especially inside, than the model it replaces while being substantially bigger. The 2024 Passat variant has been shown in several trim levels and with different powertrains, but there is a version that has yet to be presented. Rendered here is the more adventurous all-track with its lifted suspension and plastic body cladding. It's an alternative to the upcoming Tiguan and the Tiguan, but it's unclear whether VW will once again have its own equivalent of the Skoda Superb Combi Scout. It would make sense for the Passat all-track to see the light of production day since the investment would be minimal. Another jacked-up wagon from Wolfsburg would make it a more affordable alternative to the fancier Audi A4 Allroad while offering standard 4-motion all-wheel drive and a dual-clutch automatic transmission, DSG. Seen here is the e-hybrid variant, which VW offers in two specifications, both of which are based on the 1.5-liter TSI engine. In the regular Passat variant, the standard e-hybrid is good for 201 HP, 150 kilovatios, and 258 pound-feet, 350 Nm of torque, or a more potent specification with 268 HP, 200 kilovatios, and 295 lb-ft, 400 Nm. These plug-in hybrid models pair the turbocharged 4-cylinder gasoline engine to a 6-speed DSG and share a 19.7 kWh battery with 62,100 km of electric range.